Hello everyone. Today, we will practice the word conference. Let's practice with me. Conference. The conference. The big conference. The big conference room. We have a conference. We have a conference today. The conference starts now. The conference starts at 9. Please join the conference. Please join the conference room. The conference is important. The conference is very important. I will attend the conference. I will attend the conference today. She leads the conference. She leads the conference well. We discuss at the conference. We discuss plans at the conference. The conference helps teamwork. The conference helps our teamwork. I prepare for the conference. I prepare well for the conference. Thank you for practicing conference with me. Please subscribe, like, and share English Audio Dict. See you again in tomorrow's video.